So, this whole time I didn't record. I'm glad I only did one table. Hi exclusive gang, this is BP exclusive. In today's video I'm actually going to be doing marble tops for these two tables that I found at the Salvation Army. Yeah, so I found two tables at the Salvation Army. They're really cute. They're gold tables, gold legs, and glass tops. So I was like, oh, I want to do marble. I was going to do resin, but I'm like, that's going to be really hard and I don't want to mess up and then it doesn't come off. So I was like, I'll just do marble. So I'm going to show you these things. I got these for $40, you guys.
This isn't garbage. Of course it is.
I'm only going to show you one because the other one I already did the, already put the marble contact paper on it. So this is the other tables. These are the tables that we had before. They were like, we have kids, so the fact that we need rounded edges is way better. So I already started on this table and it looks freaking awesome. Like, I'm so proud with this glassing. Cute. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do the other table. And yeah, so let's get started.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's freaking dark. I'm sorry. I should have did this during the day, and I didn't. So anyways, I'm gonna show you how I just put the contact paper on this table, because I already did the other one off camera on accident. So I'm gonna do that now. These glass are so heavy. Ooh. 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 And I'm gonna lay this down right here. I'm gonna do this and then just do the sides. So, you know, it's actually weird. So what I did with the other one, I started in the middle. That's what I do here. Yeah.
Cock that motherfucker back, Kiwi.
Okay, so now that I did that, I'm going to peel off a little bit of the backing and then I'm gonna use my ID to like flatten it out. So let's do this real quick.
Is where we look on the street. I put my hands in it while my mom is still good.
What?
You're in a hurry. Sorry, what did you say? Welcome to FIB. On to Teen Titans Go!
that motherfucker back, Kiwi.
She's ready to see some non-fancy, basic, fundamental dribbling. Man, I told my agent nobody wanted to see a man just bounce.
So I'm gonna show you like closer of what I'm doing. So I cut slits so I can like pull it taut. So it is complete. Now I gotta pick this heavy thing up and put it back on here.
Cock that motherfucker back, Kiwi.